Evening, everyone. Welcome to Milan Soccer Box Break 392. It is for an extended series hobby. This is case 2, and I am lucky enough to be opening 12 of 12 tonight. So, last box of the case. I will come back here just before I open up, just to show you the serial number once again. Just going to go here to the time. Just going to indicate the time here as 11. Oops, sorry. There we go. There we go. Time is at 11:09 on August the 20th, and that's Friday. So, just going to go through the eBay user account names. Thanks again for everybody for paying all at once. Appreciate it, so that we can get this done on the same night. And again, everything's being mailed as regular. If there's delays, we apologize, but it is Canada Post. We are still delivering regularly. So let's just go through these eBay usernames and then get started. All right, starting off, Nashville Predators, Bizek 1978. Avalanche belongs to Brandon Larson 19. The Sabres belong to Brock Boko 8141. The Bruins and the Flames belong to Casper 4238. The Ducks, the Canes, the Hawks, the Jackets, the Stars, the Wings, the Wild, the Islanders, the Senators, the Flyers, the Sharks, the Blues, the Leafs, and the Knights belong to Cathodic 1409. The Penguins and the Canucks belong to Dahash 49. The Caps belong to Fordfish 2. The Rangers belong to Jonat Leblanc. The Coyotes and the Devils belong to Carp 7. The Jets belong to KS Hockey Break. The Panthers and the Kings belong to Knuckleman, and rounding it out, the Oilers, the Canadians, and the Lightning belong to Sarge B. I'm going to just go back up here. 9408 is the ending. I'll show you that on the box serial number. Here we go. And there you go. 9408. This is that last box. Let's hope out of the case. Let's hope there's some very big hits in here. Good luck to everyone, and again, thanks to everyone for playing so quick. So we can do this on the same night. There we go. Oops, let me make sure it's in the frame there. There we go. Let's get started. All right. Our first hit, retro, young gun, for your Islanders, Sergei Varlamov. Congratulations to your Islanders. Just gonna move this up with you guys. Give me some more space. Is that going to be all base? Yeah, that looks like that was the base pack. Oh, nice. The holo, again for your Islanders, of Ilya Sorkin. Nice young gun. Holo for your New York Islanders. Back-to-back hits. Young gun Reese Johnson for your Chicago Blackhawks. Nice hit for your Chicago Blackhawks. Rookie class, it's a nice one. Alex Lafreniere for your Rangers. Steven Stamkos, Ultimate Victory for your Lightning. Oh, nice card. That is a nice rookie retro. Alex Romanov for your Montreal Canadiens. That's a nice hit. Oh, that's a nice card. Rookie, Ultimate Victory Rookie, Alexander Barbanov, excuse me, for your Toronto Maple Leafs. Congratulations, Toronto. Oh, back-to-back Leafs. Nice hollow for Nick Robertson for your Toronto Maple Leafs. It's a nice card. Back-to-back. Josef Kronauer for your San Jose Sharks. Young gun. Congratulations to San Jose. Rookie class, Dylan Cousins. That's a nice Buffalo Sabres card. Ovation. Nice looking card for your Colorado Avalanche, Nathan McKinnon. That is a nice card. Congratulations to Colorado. Oh, that is a nice card. Retro rookie, Igor Shesterkin. He is an up-and-comer. So for your Rangers, sorry, I didn't give that into the light there. Nice card for your Rangers. I know we're looking for Lafreniere, but that is still a nice hit. Mr. Shesterkin. Jacob Ingham for your LA Kings. Congratulations, LA. Young gun. Nice card, too. Nathan McKinnon twice, once with ovation. Now he's on the finite on the SP. Congratulations, Colorado Avalanche. Get him twice. Nice. Is that? Oh my goodness. Oh, it is. I'm looking at it funny. There's a clear cut landing on Carl Soderberg. That is a clear cut. Nice card. I was trying to read it to see if it was a French variant. I didn't realize it was a clear cut. Nice. For your Chicago Blackhawks. Very nice card. For a second, I thought I had another base pack with a French variant. I did not see it was clear. Dazzler, Philip Grubauer, pink. Congratulations to Colorado Avalanche. We are putting this one aside. We are going to randomizer. Alex Heponiemi and Arthur Kaliev. Young Gun Checklist. We are going to randomize after this to see who gets stacked. Between LA and Florida. Oh, I am so sorry, guys. I missed that. There you go. There he is. Nick Backstrom on a retro for your Washington Capitals. Young Gun Cam Johnson for your Jackets. There it is, French variant. Sorry guys, I put that on the pile, but it is a French variant. If you can see that. Connor Sheary. There it is. Back. French. Congratulations, Washington. Alex Ovechkin, victory. Washington Capitals. Oh, these are nice. These are the die cut. Ian Mitchell. That's a nice looking card. Upper Deck Washington, your Chicago Blackhawks, sorry. These are numbered usually. There it is there. If you can see that number, that is 760 out of 1,000. Sorry if you can't see that, guys. There you go. 760 out of 1,000 die cut future impact. Nice card for your Blackhawks, Ian Mitchell. Congratulations, Chicago. Oh, and a big hit right at the end. Right at the end. Arthur Kaliev for your LA Kings. And we're going to randomize that guy on the checklist right now. I'm just going to switch us over. Here we go. And I'm just going to put LA, guys, just to save myself a little time here. All right, let's randomize. Once, twice, 3 times. LA. LA is going to get the checklist. Thanks again, everybody, for joining. Have a great night.